Your fucking guy glitch across my screen.
I will only follow you now. And okay, just follow me.
I don't.
Make sure follow me.
Well, I tried, but you went into a fucking ghost doorway. Do not go near that doorway, okay? Don't you dare! It's gonna happen.
Okay, I think I already hear a tape.
Yeah. It should be on the other side of this. Oh, fuck!
Or whatever you want to call it.
That
God,
was a totem.
I lagged out.
I know. Fuck, I'm all alone.
Now I'm all by myself in nightmare mode.
Oh shit, yeah, let's just keep doing this.
Oh god.
Oh, this is where we started, and I freaked out because you ditched me through a ghost doorway.
Okay, wait, so apparently Area 51
Had submarines. Intelligence. Yeah, Xeno Intelligence Burrow. Yeah, I'm there too. Burrow. Something like that.
Maybe Burrow.
Whatever, let's not talk about Burrow. Body! Bureau. No, it's Bureau. I hear the monster, but I can't see the tape. Where is it? Where's the tape, dude?
I don't know, but yeah, I see what you mean by an area that looks up.
Where is it? God. Oh, I see it.
Oh, God.
Oh, I hear him.
Enter the room with the totem.
Fuck. We're not even in the same game.
Scared the crap out of me.
I got one tape. How many do you
I
have?
heard footsteps when I'm not moving.
I hate it when it does it. Why don't these people make like a ghost house thing, like a paranormal ghost house?
Yeah, paranormal.
Yeah. Yeah.
Why do all these freaking cameras look like
Holy fuck! Oh!
geez.
Holy chicken fuck! Holy fuck, he was close. Fuck! I'm scared. Oh. Well, he was pink.
Come on, I want to find one tape before I die.
He was like pink. Gollum. Holy chicken fuck!
No, I want to find one tape before I die.
Oh, I'm kicking the fucking stand that my camera's on, so it's gonna tip over anytime.
Okay, I'm trying to find oh, there it is. I found one tape before.
I'm in the submarine room.
And now it's gonna be like in my anus. On nightmare
Oh.
mode. He just called the monster beautiful. Probably just wanted to
Oh fuck, where is he? Does he have to use stairs or anything like that?
Sing a happy song.
I can't. I don't know any happy songs. I'm fucking. Have you seen my avatar lately? I mean, my Christmas was terrible. I didn't get any presents. Come on. I did indeed. Totally. Off that eggnog. Yeah, my parents watched this video, so. Oh god. I am terrified.
Oh god, I hear him growling. It sounds like he's taking a shadow of long. Let's run.
Oh god.
Drug addict.
don't want to move from the spot at all, ever.
Trevor says correct is where it's at now. You would get that reference.
Yeah, that's what he said in the reply. That's what I was trying to say.
My friend just sent me him.
Fuck your friends.
Even though he's the one that was just over at my house.
Oh, he already left? Good.
Oh.
I'm spinning around in circles. I really hope he doesn't try to, like, swim to me. I'm on the submarine. Terrified. I guess, dude, the submarine is so safe. He can't, like, get you in the submarine. I gotta fix the camera.
Oh my god.
Oh no! My camera's falling! Worst time ever!
Okay, he's gone now. That's even more terrifying than him still being there.
I heard his yelling and screaming at me. He said he wants bacon.
Yeah.
Turn off your flashlight.
He wants Jamaican.
Yes, he loved Bob Marley. We need to play a mode where we do flashlights off only. And then at the end...
On nightmare mode.
Oh my god. Yeah. And then at the end see how many times we stayed in one spot because we ran into a wall for like 20 fucking minutes on the map.
And how many times I lag out.
Yeah. Wait, I'm in a safe location.
Oh god, I'm in a morgue now. Those are really bloody violent.
I'm in a safe location. I'm gonna see if I can invite you real quick.
I don't know if that's possible, because I've been living for a long time.
Oh no! Oh! This is bad! You can't! You can't! This is bad. I'm getting off the submarine.
Stop for even a second. That's bad.
Well, I was on the submarine. It's safe. Oh, is that a jail door? Are you shitting me?
Dude, he is that groping link. I mean, groping.
I am in a prison cell.
Really hot.
I am scared shitless in a prison cell.
Well, all technically in prison.
No, I mean, I'm in a prison cell because I thought there would be a tape in here. Oh my god, my light's flickering.
Oh my god. Oh, dude, my light's out. It's green, and my light wanted to turn on. It's just flickering on and off. Oh god.
Ooh. I got my flashlight 3+, so I'm still
I know.
lighted, but... fuck this. I'm scared. There's not even a way to crouch. Oh my god, I'm walking through the bed. Like my neck is being impaled by this bed.
witchki11er. He's everywhere in New York.
Fucking, this is one of the best games ever.
Well, yeah, I mean, first it simply just be an indie game.
Oh fuck, that's a totem. Run, 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 that's a totem. Holy fuck, this is scary as shit. There's just endless jail cells. I'm walking down the hallway.
I know you. I'm inside that room too.
Yeah, I'm not... Oh, there's a giant door at the end.
Oh my god. Okay.
He's gonna get me before I get to it.
Loud, so if he ever sees me, I'm just... Oh god, dude. That
It doesn't matter if you scream or
more
anything.
terrifying now.
I only have one...
Happy! Happy, fun time.
Oh, fuck this game.
Heard at a happy ending massage parlor.
There's a moldy door, ew. I hear whispers.
I know, same with me, my screen seems super fuzzy. Still want to check my
Wait,
phone
I'm
message,
going
but
toward
I
the
can't.
whispers.
Okay, that's a pretty awful idea.
There's a security camera. This reminds me of, what is it? Not Quarantine, but, fucking... You know that one movie where it's... No, the...
That awful movie.
No, fucking shut up. It's... I'm trying to think of it. Sorry, they go into this old insane asylum and
Oh god.
they investigate the fucking place, but the map changes every single door they go through.
And if it's the movie I think we're talking about, it has a very awful ending.
Yeah.
Where you just see bodies flopping around in the car.
No, it wasn't the car one. I think that was... I'm thinking of number 2. Because the guy from number 1 of the movie, he survived off of eating rats in the sewer, while everyone else died. And then he killed everybody at the end, because he had to finish the thing to get out. He had to finish the movie to get out. But he got killed by the new people. And this... Oh, fuck, the mindfuck ending. The mindfuck ending is because the main dude who, the main investigator, he beat the shit out of this girl with the fucking camera. Like, from the camera view is where you saw him beat the shit out of her with it. Because he wanted to get the fuck out of there. And then at the end, he sold the fucking tape. He sold the tape to, yeah, fucking... That is... What is that movie? If anyone knows it, fucking... Dad, if you're watching this...
Oh my god.
Did you die yet?
Shifting noise. I heard a shifting noise.
Oh,
My
fuck.
face is
Ow.
completely red.
Ow. That so probably just blew my speaker up.
Yes, it probably did.
Oh. Wait a minute, I know this place.
Find Kevin in a room and you heard
Where's that fucking ghost
right
dude?
beside you in your right ear. That's terrifying.
Where's the white noise? Yeah, I'm lucky I don't have fucking... Oh, my light's extremely fucking dim. I don't have Turtle Beaches. I'm going off of like a cheap, what everyone would call a Walmart mic.
I have X12.
Oh, fuck. Aren't the X12s the one that have to have batteries?
No, those are the ones
No, those are X11s. Yeah, never mind. Oh, I hate this game, so I'm gonna sing a pirate theme song. Yar! Holy fuck! See, I can't sing on this game.
Did you get that 1 minute thing?
Yeah, no, I had to get another app. You better not be around the corner, you bastard. Don't be around the corner, don't be around the corner, don't be around the corner, don't be around that corner.
If you hear him for long enough, his head starts twitching around, back and forth.
What?
Yeah, I just realized that.
Fuck.
Oh my god, you're still shifting. I am so...
That's his neck cracking and shit.